Hey everybody, in this video we're going to talk about the factor theorem. First of all, what does the factor theorem say? Well, the factor theorem says that if f of c equals 0, then x minus c is a factor of f of x. And then it also says if x minus c is a factor of f of x, then f of c equals 0. So in this problem, we're given a polynomial and we're told that we need to determine whether x plus 4 is a factor of p of x equals x cubed plus 2x squared minus 11x minus 12. So if x plus 4 is a factor, it means x minus negative 4 is that factor, right? And the reason we wanted x minus 4 is because we're working with x minus c. So our c value is negative 4. So what the factor theorem says is that if the polynomial evaluated at negative 4 equals 0, then x plus 4 is a factor. Now we can evaluate this p of negative 4 easily using the remainder theorem. So negative 4 is our c value, and then we have the coefficients 1, 2, negative 11, and negative 12. 1, bring down the 1. 1 times negative 4 is negative 4. 2 plus negative 4 is negative 2. Negative 4 times 2 is a positive 8. Negative 11 plus 8 is 3. Negative 3. Negative 3 times negative 4 is a positive 12, and we get 0. So our remainder was 0, so that means that in fact p of negative 4 equals 0, and then the factor theorem tells me that yes, because p of negative 4 is equal to 0, x plus 4 is a factor of p of x. Now, I could also just have evaluated p of negative 4. Negative 4 cubed plus 2 times negative 4 squared minus 11 times negative 4 minus 12. Well, as we evaluate that, we'll get negative 64 plus 32 plus 44 minus 12, which ends up equaling 0. So we could do either synthetic division and then get a remainder out, and if the remainder is 0, then we know p of negative 4 is 0, or we could plug it in like we've done in the past. Either way is going to tell us that it's a factor. If we get anything other than 0, it is not a factor.